Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi and welcome to our channel Food, Travel and Recipes. Today I will show you French omelette. Now let's go to the ingredients. The ingredients are eggs, bread, salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now in a bowl we'll break the eggs. Now add salt as per your taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder as per your taste. Now whisk the added ingredients. You can put coriander leaves also. Now we'll cut the bread in half. Now we'll heat a pan, then we'll add oil. That will dip the bread into the mixture. On the pan. Until they are golden in color. Now our French omelette is ready. You can serve it with tomato sauce. Do like, share, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.